welcome to the show and tell of how to change out the laminator rolls. First off, you'll want to take off this heat shield. And the second one is this board, we'll call it. And it lifts up and out. And then these two old rollers, if you can get the camera here, you just lift it out and then pull it out on the other side. And the same with this one. Lift it up and pull it out over here. Okay, and then these slide off, or you can take your thumb and push them through. They're not too hard to pull through. And push this through. Okay. And then you roll those off. Usually the new ones are underneath. If they're not, you definitely need to order them. But they should be down here, and there's two. So we'll take this one out, and other one. Sorry for the noise. And you'll notice on these rolls that one side has blue, and the other side has red. So it doesn't matter which one's on top or on the bottom, but you'll notice here that there's blue and red. So if you put this roll on top, you just need to flip it so that the red is with the red, or flip this one so that the blue is with the blue. So I'll do that now. So this one we pushed out, thrown, we just stick it back in. It just kind of holds there pretty well. And I'm going to match the red with the red. So in this case, we put this red side in first. It has a notch here. So you put it in, and then just drop it down into there. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom one. And this one, you'll notice now, is blue on this side. So I'm going to line it with the blue one here. And then drop it down in there. Okay, once we've done that, we need to undo this tape. Let's take this paper out. So once you have the rollers on, the top one, the red aligning, and the bottom one, the blue aligning, we want to run the film through a certain path so that it gets to the heat shoe. And if you focus here on the camera, we can see the red line here, and that's where our film needs to go. So we're going to take this film underneath this bar and then down to the heat shoe right here. And the blue one is a little different, if you can see that. That one goes down here and underneath a little bar before it comes back up. So you just follow this line. Also, I should mention you should do this when these are called heat shoes, and the heat shoes are not hot. Okay, so now we have these two films, and they're overlapping like this, or I'm holding it like that. So once we have both the films aligned, or according to those things, you'll see the top one drops down, the bottom one you can pull up, and then we just stick a piece of cardboard in, or it's almost like we're laminating something right through these two, so it catches both of them, and then turn it on like you were laminating. And we get both of these films to get started going through. And it comes out the other side, kind of messed up, which is fine, because now both of our films are through, and we'll just cut it off. And now if you come back to the front, it's installed and ready to go. The only thing left to do would be then to put these two things back